Hello everyone. In this video we are going to convert a lat long that we have in a CSV file into a point shape file. So what you're going to need to do is there's a couple of ways you can do this. Add your file directly from here from add data section, and then come here and then say display XY data. The other way of doing it, you can come up here to add data and add XY data. Either one of those works just fine. So when we are here, we say display XY data. It's going to look at the fields that you have on your CSV file to match the X and Y. So we're not going to make any changes on this one right here. And then it's going to ask you for a coordinate system, and then we're gonna so we're gonna hit edit here. We're just gonna go with just standard WGS 84 right here, and then when you say OK, you're going to get this is not an error, it's just something to tell you that what you're going to produce, the result of this is not going to be an actual, they're not to be actual shapefile. And also we got this because we have this one checked, so it's just a warning, it's not an actual error. So we're just going to go ahead and say OK, and we are going to get these. These are not shapefiles yet. We have to convert these into shapefile. Right now they're just events, because if you will, for example, try to do any of the shapefile properties things, for example, if you were to edit this, you will get an error saying that there's no layer to be edited, because this is just not an error. Or for example, right now you cannot even select it. So what we're going to do, we're going to export this data and make it into a shapefile. So we can say select where we want to save it. Right here, and then we're gonna call it lat long point, and we'll make sure that it's a shapefile right here, and we're gonna hit save. And then you have a selection here, you have a choice here. You can choose to give this the shapefile that's going to be produced, you're going to give it the source layer, the coordinate system of the source layer, or you can give it the coordinate system of data frame. So we're going to keep it as is for now, and we say OK, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to add this into map layer that you have? So we're going to go ahead and say OK. So this one right now, the one that we have right here, this is an actual shapefile. So for example, if we were to do this right here, this is an actual shapefile, and this is just the event. And one way this lat long, the CSV, it's a lat long for points that are in the Houston area. So one way to confirm that we have made it correctly, is if we were to add a base map, for example, this should fall in the Houston area. So it looks like it works. And that's it. That's how you turn CSV file into shapefile. Thank you.